In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a credit card, Bank of America. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly browse through all of the credit cards offerings that Bank of America has and how to apply for one. So all that you have to do is visit the Bank of America website at bankofamerica.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone, or open the latest version of their mobile app. In here, select credit card and you will be able to choose between all of the credit cards that they offer. Choose Shop All Credit Cards, and now you can browse through all of them. Usually, the first one will be enough for general use, but you can look for specific benefits in different cards. As you can see, they have the customized cash rewards, unlimited cash rewards, Bank Americard, Bank of America Travel Rewards, Premium Rewards, and finally the Elite. Choose whichever one you prefer. Most of them will have the same features, but some might include more cashback and more benefits. Some of them might have annual fees, so keep all of that in mind. When you click on any credit card on this list, you will be redirected to another page that has more details about that specific card. So you can see the cashback percentage, APR offer, interest rates and fees, and so on. You can compare all of them, but to keep it simple, all that you have to do to apply for a card once you are satisfied with the offerings is to click Apply Now. You will be redirected one more time, and in this page, you will be able to sign up to get started. If you already have a Bank of America account, click on this option here to log in, but if you don't, you will need to include a lot of personal information. Because of this, sadly, I cannot go over the full process on screen. All of this is extremely sensitive and I won't be able to show you this process in full. However, if you are able to include everything, you will be able to proceed and see if you are approved for this card on Bank of America. So you just have to include details about your address, your location, and so on, and eventually you will be able to get this process done. Like I said, again, I wish I could go over this full process on screen, but because it contains way too much personal information, it is impossible for me to do so. But as long as you take your time and you carefully go through all of this, you will be able to get this process done on your own time and receive the card from Bank of America after you go through your application. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a credit card Bank of America. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.